A wireless telemetry system enables the remote measurement and transmission of data from one location to another without the need for physical wired connections. As technology advances, wireless telemetry systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, reliable, and secure, enabling them to be applied in various industries and use cases for test and measurement applications. Interface offers a wide range of wireless telemetry products. Components in wireless telemetry systems typically include sensors, transducers, instrumentation, communication modules, transmitters, displays, and printers. The WTS gives sensor manufacturers and integrators the complete flexibility to build their own sensor modules around it. The system easily replaces wired systems, reducing installation and maintenance costs. Once the data is processed, it can be analyzed, logged, and displayed on a user interface, such as a computer dashboard or a mobile app. This allows operators, engineers, or users to monitor the load values in real time and make informed decisions based on the data. If you are looking for a reliable and accurate wireless telemetry system, the Interface WTS is a great option. It is a powerful and versatile system that can be used in various applications and industry use cases.